All right, what's going on, everyone? Just want to do a quick recap from today. Last week was my first red week, and today a little bit better. So a good kind of a way to start the week. I'm going to start with PPSI, and really it was just low float, low market cap. I'm pretty sure it had EV news. I think this is the right one. Let me double check for you really quick. A lot of plays today. It's hard to remember which one's which. And I can't even look back that far. All I can see that I got halted multiple times. I'm pretty sure this had some kind of news. But basically, open price play in the morning. I missed it. I missed this second leg up as well. But I kind of just let this do its thing during the day. And was trying to hold open price pretty nicely. It did crack below a little bit, but it ended up holding, making higher lows. I was able to put a little trend line here, snagged 100 shares here. Really kind of should have re-added when it perked above VWAP, and I sold way too soon. I sold at 7. I took my quick snipe, put me green on the day. After I think it was PETZ or PETV, I took a couple losses on, dumb losses. It's got a really nice move up into the mid 12s. And as you can see, it was basically just, gapped up on the day. First green day, breaking over multi-month range. No key volume to be worried about. So this line here is the open price. So I got the nice gap up. Once it failed to break down, kind of held VWAP. It held 550s really well, curled back up above VWAP, above open price. This was the buy here around 6, sell into this push. And then once it held, and we were getting volume completely died out, it was still holding up, failing to break down. We got the squeeze. I sold way too soon, but once it broke high of day, it held to a T. It really just squeezed shorts out. This was a really nice play. We'll go to PETZ, was a play. I traded it later in the day. It was a breakout. So you got the multi-month range here for, at about, low 420s. And basically it broke out this day here, but just barely, and failed to break down. So you keep these on watch, these runners. So really just held up. It had no volumes. I wasn't eager to trade it, but once it got this nice push here and it consolidated, held VWAP, I put in my lines and was able to get a nice entry. I chased a little bit at 570 once it was perking through. I missed the ideal entry at 550s, and chased a little bit at 570, super small size, sold at 750. Let me check really quick actually. Or I think I sold at 7. Pretty sure I sold at 7. Actually, nope, out at 650. So from 570 to 650, just a quick move. Vino, so goddamn choppy. Jesus, I snagged some shares in here, ended up cutting it for a stupid loss. Just too choppy. Nasty pullbacks. Should have known. Should have just stayed away from it. Then we got Pola, which another breakout. Nice volume day, first green day, gapped up. I played this in the morning when it held the breakout level and didn't take my snipe. Small size, was just wanting to see if this was going to hold up and be like a PPSI kind of play. So I took a small loss there, literally lost $1, and then let it do its thing. And on the way back, it was grinding up. And so I started to keep an eye on it. A little bit of volume was coming in. We were perking through VWAP, back above the breakout level, and I snagged some shares. I should have been watching it more closely in here, but I didn't want to get faked out and have a nasty kind of, dip that would stop me out. Kind of really just wanted to wait for that high of day break, so that's what I did. And 685 to 750. Nice little snipe there at the end. Not that much size. Small wins. It's basically kind of what it was today. It was just small wins. Besides PPSI, I did have bigger size, so I made like $76 on that. And then the last one was this. And really, just emotional. Snagged some shares in here when it was holding the breakout level. Little perk, stopped out. Pretty sure I added more shares like right here when it came right back. And stopped out. And I was like, okay, this is dumb. It's midday. No volume. Super choppy. Just kind of dumb little trades that I should have just not taken in the first place. So, yeah, that was not a good one. It was really just like third green day, finally breaking out, trying to fill the gap. Good volume. Low float, low market cap. I was just like determined that this was going to make a move, and it never did. So really just needed to read the chart here in the volume instead of just thinking on my own that, hey, this is just because it has a low float, low market cap, this is going to go. So that wasn't the case. So a couple small stupid losses in there. Lost $26 on this. And Vino, being dumb, lost $17. And then PETZ, which, the money doesn't matter, to be honest. I'm really just trying to recognize the patterns. PETZ was only an $8 win, which could have been a lot more if I had a bigger size. And Pola was only a $11 win. So 3 wins, 2 losses on the day. Green 50, just over $50. So try not to push bigger size. I know I can't push size. It's not the time. Really just need to continue with small size, get consistent. Once I'm consistent and confident, start slapping bigger size. So kind of got to cut out sizing up a little bit. Just not quite ready. Got to keep the small size going until I'm consistent. But yeah, like I said, last week was my first red week of basically like the month. And then nice green day today. Make some stupid small losses in the morning and then made it back later in the day. So just going to keep grinding, taking it one day at a time. So I hope this makes sense. If I went a little too fast here, please leave a comment. Let me know if I missed something, or if you want me to go over something, I'll make another video. But that was basically it for today. A little bit of over trading, and yeah, just got to size down a little bit and come back tomorrow ready to rock and roll, and let's finish off and have a great week. So hope you guys enjoyed, hope it made sense, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Later.